Today we're going to talk about ordered pair solutions of equations. Let's start off with this first problem on the left. Find the ordered pair solution of y equals 3/2 x minus 4 corresponding to x equals 6. So first we need to figure out what this is saying. What this is saying is you want the ordered pair where you are going to put in a 6 for x. So what are we looking for? So we have 6 for x, and we don't know the y. So we're looking for the y. So how are we going to get the y coordinate? Well, let's start off with our original equation, which is y equals 3/2 x minus 4. Well, we have x, so let's plug in x. So y equals 3/2 times 6 minus 4. 3/2 times 6 is 9 minus 4. So we get y equals 5. So we can put the y equals 5 up here. That is going to be our y. Now let's check our answer real fast. So we're going to plug in the ordered pair 6, 5 into y equals 3/2 x minus 4. So our y is 5 equals 3/2 times our x is 6 minus 4. So we have 5 equals 9 minus 4. 5 equals 5. So this checks out. So our answer is 6, 5 in parentheses. Let's move on to the second one in the middle. Fill in the blanks to find the ordered pair solutions to y equals 2x minus 5. And we have a nice little table here, and we're going to fill in those blanks. So we are going to be looking for 3 ordered pairs. So we need to do 3 different calculations. So we need to find each ordered pair. So let's start off with the first row. We're going to have where x equals 0. And so we're going to plug in our 0 for x. So we're going to have y equals 2 times 0 minus 5. 2 times 0 is 0, so y equals negative 5. That's going to be in our first blank on the first row. And now we're going to go to our second row, and we know that y equals 5. So it tells us that the y value, so now we're going to be plugging into the y area. So we're going to have 5 equals 2x minus 5. And we want to get x by itself, so we're going to add 5 to both sides. We're going to get 10 equals 2x, and then divide by 2 on both sides, and we're going to get 5 equals x. So in the second blank, it's going to be 5 as well. And then we're going to look at our last blank, which is our third row, and we have x equals negative 1. And we're going to plug in negative 1 for x, so we're going to have y equals 2 times negative 1 minus 5. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 minus 5. That equals y. And so y is going to equal negative 7, and that's going to be going our last blank. You may be wondering, how did I come up with this table? When you have a linear equation, you choose any number you want for x, plug it in, and be able to solve for y. That will give you an ordered pair. So I could have picked any number of x, any number of y, and I could have gotten an ordered pair solution. So we're going to lastly look at this last one on the right. Is 3 comma negative 4 a solution to the equation 5x plus 2y? So this is saying, does x equals 3 and y equals negative 4 satisfy this equation? So one way to do this is just to substitute x is equal to 3 and y is equal to negative 4 into this and see if it works. So we're going to have 5 times 3 plus 2 times negative 4 equals 7. And so we want to know if this does indeed equal 7. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 equals 7. So, and we get 7 equals 7. So yes, this indeed does work. So x equals 3, y equals negative 4 is a solution to this equation.